Are you a small business owner struggling to keep up with the demands of marketing, finances, and communication with customers and team members? As someone who understands the real daily struggles of running a small business, I'm here to share with you the best tools and strategies to help you manage these crucial aspects of your business. In this video, I will show you how to streamline your marketing efforts, keep your finances in order, and communicate effectively with both customers and team members. So if you're ready to take your small business to the next level, stick around and let's dive in. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If you are new to the channel, this is a YouTube channel dedicated to bring in tips and tools to raise your technology skills to new heights. Gmail is a powerful tool for small business owners due to its affordability, integration with other Google tools, and extensive features. Gmail offers all the email features a small business owner needs without breaking the bank. It's also part of the Google ecosystem, which includes tools for organizing chats and other business-related tasks. Gmail is part of the Google Workspace, which offers an endless set of expanding capabilities that small business can leverage to their advantage. Additionally, Gmail can be used as a business tool for creating a business Gmail account that comes with a business online domain attached. Google also offers other tools for small business, such as Google Business Profile, Google Ads, and Google Analytics. Overall, Gmail is a cost-effective and versatile tool that can help small business owners manage their email and other business-related tasks efficiently. EngageBay is an all-in-one CRM software that offers marketing, sales, and customer service features. Its features include email marketing, landing pages, live chat, help desk, ticketing, telephony, appointment schedule, and contact management. EngageBay also offers a customer view features that provides a comprehensive view of each customer on a single screen. The software is cost-effective and offers unlimited contacts with enterprise-level features. EngageBay's pricing plans are affordable and do not compromise on key features. The software also offers a range of standalone packages, including marketing, CRM, and sales, and a help desk. Number 3 is Trello. It's a project management tool that helps small business owners streamline their workflows and improve efficiency. It's a simple and flexible platform that allows users to create boards, lists, and cards, organize tasks, and collaborate with team members. Trello's main benefits include its user-friendly interface, customizable features, and integration with other tools such as Google Drive and Slack in a minute. With Trello, small business owners can easily track progress, assign tasks, and communicate with their team members in real time. Trello offers a free plan with basic features as well as paid plans starting at $9.99 per user per month, which includes additional features such as unlimited boards, power-ups, and automation. Overall, Trello is a cost-effective solution for small business owners looking to improve their project management processes. As a small business owner, using Google Forms for surveys can provide several benefits. Firstly, it's an easy-to-use and powerful tool that allows you to create everything from simple RSVP forms to complicated surveys. Secondly, it's a convenient tool as anyone with a Google account already has access to Google Forms. Thirdly, it is a cost-effective way to gather customer feedback. Fourthly, it can help you to collect contact information from your leads and gather other data. And lastly, it can help you to grow your business as it allows you to gather valuable insights from your customers and make data-driven decisions. Overall, using Google Forms for surveys can be a great way to improve your business operations and customer satisfaction. Canva is an amazing graphic design software that offers many benefits and features for small business owners. Some of the major advantages of using Canva include its easy to use, affordability, versatility. Canva allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including logos, social media posts, presentations, flyers, brochures, and even websites. The software also offers a variety of templates and design elements that can be customized to fit your own needs. Additionally, Canva allows for transparency adjustments and is user-friendly with a drag-and-drop design platform. However, some drawbacks of Canva include limited customization options for the free plan and the need for a stable internet connection to use the software. Wave app is a free accounting and invoicing software that offers a range of features to help small business owners manage their bookkeeping, accounting, and invoicing in one single place. One of the great features is the ability to separate business and personal expenses, which simplifies sales tax and tax filing. Wave app also allow users to track their expenses, which is important for small business owners. With its flexible financial services, Wave app is a great tool for small business owners who want to streamline their accounting and invoicing processes. However, I have to say there are processing fees for Wave invoicing. Wave's pricing plans include optional paid features such as payroll, credit card processing. So check the link for more details. Connect Team is a workforce management app that offers a range of features to help small business manage their employees and streamline their processes. The app offers a free small business plan for business with less than 10 employees. Connect Team's features include scheduling, time and attendance tracking, task assignment, file sharing, and more. The app's paid plan starts at an affordable $20 per location for unlimited users. Connect Team's pricing plans are flexible and can be customized to fit the needs of your small business. By using Connect Team, small business owners can automate their business processes, save time, and focus on business growth. The last one from this list is Slack. Slack is a messaging app for business that connects people to the information they need. It's the app where you can instantly reach your team on the go or at your desk. As a small business owner, there are several things you can do to improve workflow on a daily basis. Here are some tips. You can clearly communicate tasks and processes to your employees. This will help them understand their roles and responsibilities and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Number 2 is separate duties among other team members. This will help prevent confusion and ensure that each person is responsible for specific tasks. Number 3, encourage your employees to take breaks. These will help them stay focused and productive throughout the day. Conduct frequent training sections to keep your team members up to date on the latest tools and techniques. Automate processes such as lead capture and customer onboarding to save time and improve efficiency. Analyze your current processes to identify areas where you can improve your workflow. You can set clear goals and deadlines for your team members to help them stay focused and motivated. By implementing these tips, you can improve your workflow, efficiency, and productivity in your small business on a daily basis. Thank you for watching our video on small business tools and apps. We hope you found it helpful and informative. We really hope you found these tools helpful, and we wish you all the best in your small business goals. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and insights.